What's up guys, I'm Divine and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you my mom's black soap recipe. You could use your black soap directly like this, but I'd rather use my mom's recipe than using black soap directly like this. It's okay if you use like this, but you need more ingredients, more nutrients in your black soap. So let's get right into the video. For this black soap, you'll need an empty container, clean with the lid to cover. You need your African black soap. You see, the black soap looks like sand, I guess. You also need turmeric powder. I wonder why mom kept turmeric powder, but I recently found out it's good for fuller and thicker hair. You need a spoon for measurements. You also need a stem of aloe vera plant. You also need lime fruits. Yeah, of course, you need a good knife and water, I guess. So I basically divided my lime fruits and I cut the sides of the aloe vera plant. So I measured 12 spoons of black soap into my container. Now I'm going to add my turmeric powder, 1 spoon. So I'm going to squeeze in the fruits, the juice of these fruits. You see the gel. So I got this from home. I did not buy it anywhere, so it's just at my backyard. So I'm going to use my spoon to scoop that out. If it's a struggle, you could use your knife to just scoop it out. I'm adding my lime juice. I'm squeezing it out. If you have a lime juicer, you can. So this is how it looks like after I'm going to add a good amount of water, just like quarter your recipe, like 1/4 of your recipe. That's the amount of water you need to add. So you can see this is how your lime and aloe vera is meant to look like after you've sucked out the juice and the gel. So I'm going to stir this vigorously. Make sure you stir. If your turmeric is too much, add more black soap. So after I've stirred this is the aftermath look, and you're good to go to use it for your bath or your hair. This is very